Come on in. Come on in. There's nothing to fear. It's only the creeps of fire. Measured by our planet to the darkness in space. Scientists use our solar system, vast regions of the universe, as a giant timekeeper. Time has a distance as hazy as the perimeter of our own galaxy, and as hazy as the plot of a movie. The haze occasionally clears those who inquire into the fabric of the story and say, why am I watching this nonsense? It's a glimpse of the true meaning of time, from creation to the present. The unborn yesterdays that lead to today and stretch out toward eternity. Someday, man will strike a balance between those two universal forces, the past and the future. Man will make a fantastic journey to the center of time. Unfortunately, nothing like that will happen in this movie. As a matter of fact, nothing really happens in this movie, and it will contribute nothing to your knowledge of science, the universe, or your place in the cosmos. So if you value your time, please go to bed, because after a brief respite, it's precisely what I intend to do myself. Now, if you'll just concentrate calmly, coolly, admit that you're being very, very foolish. When I hear the last click of that dial, which tells me everybody has gone to bed, then I too will be able to properly relax, not have to continue with this absurdity. But I still see a couple of you holdouts there, and one in Nutley, New Jersey, very persistent. Also, a couple of holdouts nearby Riverdale. You would think that they would know better in that area, so close to Bronxville, which is always sleeping. Come on, a few more of you out there, you know who you are. You're really all spaced out anyway. You don't need to